learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Miaoli's Nanchuang is steeped in Hakka culture, and the township's old street reflects the heritage. The area's tourist destinations are many, including the rustic wooden Nanchuang Post Office, Osmanthus Alley, and the old Nanchuang Theater, which now has been converted into an exhibition hall and restaurant. In addition to the historic architecture, you can also savor Hakka treats, such as egg rolls and a local specialty, Osmanthus jelly. Finally, to enjoy a bird's-eye view of the Nanchuang Old Street, just take a stroll through the Kangji Suspension Bridge, which connects the Nanjiang Old Street.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And all this month, we're taking you to a county that is very rich in Hakka culture, probably the richest in Taiwan. And Leo is from there too, so he knows a lot about it. 我们这整个月就是要带大家到客家文化非常浓厚，也是您的家乡啊，苗栗。
对，错噶，苗栗是客家人比例蛮高的一个县市，又是我的故乡，当然要好好的来玩一下。
苗栗客语，
苗栗。
Okay, that's how you say 苗栗 County. 对，
今天我们带大家去南庄路街行行啊。
对啦，应该就是要介绍这个很有历史文化，然后聚集很多商店的地方。
对呀，对
就老街嘛，
就是老街。
Yes, when you go to any city or township here in Taiwan, you have to ask for their old street, 老街。
路街。
All right, so what's on this old street? What's around the old street that we should go visit? Okay?
老街就有卖一些很道地的客家美食啊，或是在南庄其实还有一个地方，我觉得蛮值得介绍的，洗衫行。
是洗衣的巷子吗？
行就是一个坑它就是有个水的，距离有水的地方。
OK，
然后传统的客家人会在那边洗衣服。
I see. Okay, so this is a well-known pit around the old street in Nanzhuang. Okay, it's literally known as the washing clothes. I think I've seen this on TV. 其实，在电视上好像有看过旅游节目有报道过啊。
对，有介绍过，
非常有特色。Okay, so while you're there, enjoy all the great food, of course. A lot of Hakka dishes that you can try out.
是。
再来就是这个洗衫坑了。
洗衫行。
Okay, this is all happening over at Nanzhuang in 苗栗南庄。苗栗南庄。And don't forget, look for the old street, 也就是老街。
路街。
Go have fun, especially now as springtime is around the corner. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.